Hi! In front of me is DOOGEE N30 and today I would like to show you how you can customize the theme of your keyboard on this device. First of all, you need to access Settings, scroll all the way down and go into System. Then Languages and Input, Virtual Keyboard and your currently used one, in my case Gboard. From here tap on Theme and click on this plus sign under My Themes. Now select the photo by tapping on the chosen one, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're done, click Next. Adjust the brightness by swiping left or right, tap Done and click on the switcher next to keyboards to disable or enable them. When you're done, click Apply, and now when I go back, I can see the theme of my keyboard was successfully customized. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!